everybody, my name is Sam. I'm at Colton RV and Marine in Wind Gap, and I'm going to be showing you the 2024 Coachmen Freelander 27QB. Let's go check it out. So first things first, super easy to do maintenance. Here's the back of your refrigerator right here. If you keep going, you got outlets, satellite for TV, and you even have a super big storage space. See? If you come onto the back, you have your backup camera. This bad boy can also pull 7,500 pounds. That's enough for a small car. On one side, you have all of your hookups. You even have an outdoor shower and endless hot water. Right down here is your generator. And here's the captain's chair. Let's go take a look on the inside. All right, so now we're on the inside of the vehicle. Something I really want to point out to you guys is right here up in the driver's seat, you got your backup camera and your back mirror. This unit also has 11,869 miles on it. Right above me is a nice sleeping space, 800-pound capacity. That's enough to fit 2 adults. So something even cooler about the bunk area, it comes with extra storage space and cup holders. You also have a nice bed right here. It flips down like this and flips right back up. Right here you also have another sleeping space, enough for a small child. You'll notice in your dinette you have storage underneath and even storage right up top on both sides. So you see there's one AC in this unit, but there's ducts all along the coach keeping the entire thing cool, even in your bedroom. Right here you have your entire control panel. This is for your generator, your water pump, tank heaters, your refrigerator disconnect, and this is for your water heater. Then right here you got your awesome fridge and freezer. Working our way to the back of the coach, you have your lovely kitchen area with a nice wide and deep sink, easy to do dishes in, 3-burner stove and a convection microwave right here. Right above your stove you have this great cabinet space for pots and pans and anything you need. And one of my favorite features is this super awesome custom spice rack that I built myself. Comes fully loaded with spices. You keep working your way back, you got your shower right here and your bathroom right here. As much as it might seem weird that they're split, it's actually a really nice convenient thing because you can shower and use the bathroom at the same time. And you still have your privacy. We can even take a look in the bathroom. If you keep going back, we got your bedroom right here. We have a north to south bed, so there's enough room on either side to get up and off the bed if one person needs to go to the bathroom in the middle of the night and the other one doesn't. You're not bothering nobody. Right here in the corner is your mount for your TV. You can always tell where our TV mount is based off of where these are. Right here you have really awesome closet space, and that's your ladder for your bed above the cab area. Right here as well, lots of cabinet space. So thanks again guys for coming and touring this 2024 Coachmen Freelander 27QB. If you have any questions on this model, I can answer them for you. Just call me at 610-863-5239, extension 819. My name is Sam. Have a great day.